story card wall is an important tool for any Agile team. Typically, it is a physical wall, maybe a dry erase board, maybe a chalkboard, a corkboard, whatever, that's actually in the team's space. On that board, you're going to see a series of lanes. So each lane represents a phase of work for that team. It could be typical wall might contain ready for analysis, in analysis, ready for dev, in dev, ready for QA, in QA. I'm not prescribing that as a specific set of steps, but that may be something that you would see. On that wall, in those lanes, are cards. Each card is a story card, which basically represents a feature or a deliverable, a unit of work for that team to achieve. The advantage to these is you can take one look at that board and you can see how much work is in progress for the team. You can see how far along that work is. You can also determine things like, is there a lot of work waiting for one group? So maybe we've nothing waiting for dev and quite a few things that are waiting for requirements gathering. So rather than having the devs sit idle, they may opt to either help with requirements gathering or help with QA. So more about a whole team approach. Any team member can move a card. Ideally, it's the card that they're actually working on and they know that that card should be moved. Typically, the cards are handwritten, not printed. But part of this is just making sure that it's a lightweight process. And making it really easy to change that wall whenever you want to be able to. If they're printed, then automatically there's this barrier to updates. The team should have a clear definition of done. So as cards kind of move across the wall, there's a point where we all agree that, yes, this card is done. Ideally, I think that's probably in production, but it might be when dev is complete. It might be when QA is complete. But everybody knows what it means to actually have a card finished, and that's the point at which we count those points or those estimates and sizes against our velocity or throughput for the team.